everything how to start. I don't know. Okay, everything is starting right? Mamma mia. Should I be streaming this? So I think everything is I don't know, fine. Reconnection successful. Okay, I think everything is fine. So guys, this is gonna be a very quick video about me showing you which trades I've already lost. So I think you guys have remember. I don't know. You can remember. I think I've entered this trade today, right? I've already journaled this video in the earlier video of today, and yeah, the trade have been a losing one. Coming to other trades here, GPP USD and other trades, as you guys could see, the market is signaling that the market have already changed the structure shift here, because as I told you guys, this breaking this high is gonna show us that the market have changed structures there. So that means that the market could be bullish after this, but my expectation is, because we already are in a bearish trend, I don't think the market is gonna show us any structure shift. What I do think is that the market, instead of going to the upside, is going to take this liquidity and show us another bearish move like it did here. As soon as market take this, you can see that there is a bigger rejection. The same thing is gonna happen. My expectation is that, or we can just go to EURUSD and see if there is already an SMT so that we can use it for next week. So I'm still rooting for EURUSD to go bearish, so I didn't close any of my positions. They are still open, and as you guys could see, I have entered this trade and lost. I don't know. I have entered this trade because I got to the market late, so I've entered this trade with a little risk, and it has been a losing trade, guys. And this shows that the market have already changed structure shift. But the thing here is that because we are still in a bearish trend, I don't think the market have already changed the structure. So I'm still expecting the market to show us a bearish move. So what I was doing here is that, because let's just clean the charts for a second. Let me just show you guys. As you guys could see here, there is a typical head and shoulder pattern here, right? This is the shoulders. These are the two shoulders, and this high is the head, right? So people, as soon as they look, the market have already break the structure, they are gonna short their trade here, putting their stop loss right there, maybe here and right there. Let's just come back to this, and their stop loss are gonna be placed either there, or it's going to be placed here. So there are two places here that their stop loss could be, and the market have already taken both of them. So my expectation is, after market take that liquidity, it's probably for the best, it's just for the next week. So my expectation is, I do think that the market, if I really love to the market to give me a break-even trade here, before it turn out to be next week. I'm gonna hold up for the weekends, so I'm expecting the market to be bearish for the next week. Because the bad thing about my losing trades are, it's not about my strategy not working. It's just because I participated in the wrong week. The whole days have been accumulating. It's probably for, I don't know, guys. What I want to say here is that, what I meant is, the entire week was accumulating, guys. The entire week. Let me just show you. See, this is, I think, Monday, right? So the entire week was accumulating, guys. It haven't gone anywhere. It's been accumulating here for 4 days, guys, and it was literally very difficult, guys, because I didn't stop myself. I can't stop myself to not look at the market if it have already gone to my profit or something. So it's just difficult to look at the market going here and there inside your stop loss. But still, we have already uh, helped ourselves and didn't close the position. So I'm expecting the market to go bearish for the next week, because when there's like a bigger accumulation, like here, as you guys could see here, there was an accumulation. Then after that accumulation, a very big bearish move is gonna happen. The same thing could happen here, guys. So my expectation is that the market uh, could be right in this kind of places, right here. The same thing here. So my expectation is the next hourly candle is gonna be bearish, and after next week, around Monday, there would be a bigger gap here, something like this, guys, a gap, something like that. And I do think that after market may fill this one or just go straight to my TP, or this is just the likely one, what I want to see next weekend. Something could, like this could happen, but my expectation is the market may fill this or just go to my TP. So my expectation is still I'm thinking bearish. There are a lot of people who are thinking bullish because market have already mitigated the support zone, but still I'm expecting the market to be very bearish. So this is gonna be it. I've already lost a lot of trades and also made a lot of profits because I was just looking at the market the entire day. What I mean was this is so because of me watching the market the entire day, guys, the entire day, meaning that every single minute, every here and now, I would open TradingView and look at the trades if they have already turned to profit, or if it's gonna give me like very good prices to cut my losses. So because of that, I have already closed this without losing any pennies. I only lost like $1.5. Uh, Coming to this trade because I don't know. When I open the chart, I see this trade and I enter it right away, guys. And it was a great trade, as you guys could see. It have already given us 1 to 4. Let me just draw it again. I don't think I follow this trend lines. Probably another one. So I think something like this, guys. Somebody may have played with my chart. I don't know, guys, but I don't know. This trade have worked great. My entry point is probably gonna be here. I don't know where my stop loss is. Okay, guys, I think of. Okay, this is the look of the trade, right? Yeah, probably something like this. Okay, guys, somebody have missed on my chart. It's not me. So this trade have already given us 1 to 4. I mean, I've already taken partial from this trade. I took half of the profit around this price, but I was expecting the market to be so bearish that it's gonna go right here, so I didn't take the other half. So that's one of the losing trade, guys, because it's not still losing trade. I've already profited $2 out of it, even if it hits the break even. It doesn't mean that I've lost it. I've already got $2 out of those position. But from this one, the one that I've took partial here, I've profited $10. Then after that, using the same profit here that I've made here, enters the position right here and lost this one. I was expecting the market to be very bearish today. I didn't look at the news. I thought today is NFP day, so that's why I tried to short, guys. If I were to know that today is not NFP, I don't think I would enter this trade. But at the end of the day, we have already learned our lessons. Uh, the thing is here, looking at the chart every time is also gonna give you benefits, and it have also its bad side. The first thing is just gonna make you enter a lot of trades like this one, and those trades are going to be sometimes a profitable trades and the other times a losing trade. So at the end of the day, you're going to find yourself just wasting your time. I've already wasted like 2 hours to enter this trade and another 2 hours for this one. But at the end, the profit from this one was used to, I don't know, to get rid of the risk from this one. So I didn't lose anything. My account is still break even, so I didn't make anything. But what I've already lost is my time. So you guys, I don't know. You can do your own thing. So my thing is after this, okay, this one is also a losing trade. I was expecting XG to be bearish, so I don't think I'm gonna enter any trade around here. I was just expecting price to come here. So I don't think I would enter this trade because my if I got to enter this, I don't most of the time risks like this is going to be a losing trade because what I've seen for my strategies, the risk got to be something like this, a bigger risk, more profitable or possible. Coming to the XY, I don't know what happened to the XY, guys. I was expecting it to go bullish, but the market wasn't doing that. So let's just go to the daily chart and see what the XY have been doing, guys. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Don't you guys look at this and say that this is an accumulation? This could be the manipulation in the market is gonna do something like that. The same thing that happened here. Manipulation. Then the market has thrown the or gone nosedive here. Then after that, after another accumulation, the market's gone or showed as an up move. The same thing could happen here, guys. I'm rooting for the same thing here. So my expectation is market to do that, but it's in the lower time frame, so it doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter. I could be, I could lose money before even market showed me that kind of big moves. So I've already gone through most of my trades, guys. The other losing trade is my USD position. So because I've already entered a short position, I do think that the market is gonna do me. I don't know. So because I've already entered the short position, guys, I was expecting the market to go and show me some short volumes or short price action. So I expect the market to go and show me some downtrend movement. So because of that, as soon as I see this trend line, I entered this position. So I think I found the price right here and putting my stop loss right there. I mean my stop loss is here. So this was a really great trade, but it didn't turn out to be a profitable trade, guys. While my expectation is just this trade looks like more. Uh, it looks like this trade, right? As soon as I know that the market is gonna go or show me a downtrend or a very bearish sentiment, I've entered a short position here and got a lot of profit from this trade, right? I thought the same thing is gonna happen for EURUSD. That's why I entered this short position and end up losing a lot of money there. And at the end, still our account is $2,500. We only lost around $3. It's probably $97 to be frank. And my expectation is still the market is gonna show up the bearish movement. So we got to wait and let's see, guys. Let's see. So this could be like a very big move and could give us. I swear to God, guys, I'm not joking here, but it could give us 1 to 10. It could give us 1 to 10. What I mean by 1 to 10 is, guys, it's not because yeah, the market is really bearish, guys. Anything could happen. That includes this, giving us 1 to 10. Because I still believe that the market have already, if you guys are been watching Camel Finance videos, I do think that the market is suggesting that the market DXY is gonna rise now, anytime now. So my expectation is if DXY is gonna rise, then EURUSD is gonna fail. So my expectation is market is gonna hunt for one of these liquidities, one of them, and it's gonna be very bearish move, guys. We could end up making all our counters or all our funded accounts. I don't know, expectation or the free threshold. What's the threshold? It's around $200. So we could make. We're only expected to make 1 to 8, and we could buy the funded account. That's it. 1 to 8. So this is possible, guys. This is possible. But for now, I don't think that I'm gonna extend my profit there. So it's probably for the best to take most of our trade here because the market could do anything here. That's gonna be it. So the market is still playing. I don't know what happened. Let's just get rid of this, guys. Why do you show me this kind of big bullish candles? you shouldn't give a shit about the 1 minute chart, you know. I've been looking at the chart this entire accumulation, guys. I swear I was afraid when some market showed me this kind of big bullish candle. Then at the end, it gone to my profit zone. Then come to my stop loss. Then another profit zone. The same thing is repeating again and again. But I think at the end, I'm expecting the market to be bearish. That's gonna be the end of the video. I'm really sorry. I've already told you guys that this was going to be a short video. I intended to make it short video, but I don't know what got through me. I was talking, and just this is gonna be the end of video. I don't want to extend the video much after this. Bye, guys. I hope you guys have a very good weekend. I'm sorry, week.